Hi everyone, Rachel Jensen here, broker owner of Luna Realty Belize in the beautiful country of Belize. Today we are here in the heart of Cayo district in a town called Santa Familia, which is about 7 miles from Spanish Lookout and 7 miles from San Ignacio. And here at Carmelita Gardens, this is a completely off-grid community. It's a planned development of nearly 100 acres along the Belize River. Carmelita Gardens is one of my favorite projects that I have seen here in the Cayo district for a handful of reasons, but some of them being that the developer has really put a lot of attention to detail when it came to the master plan of this entire property. He has really put a lot of focus on off-grid self-sustainability and adding third spaces for the community to really come together. And what I mean by third spaces are places like a community market area, gardens, orchards. Nearly 20% of this entire property is dedicated to just green space and community space. In addition to the gardens and orchards, the developer has added a riverfront park for folks who want to be able to enjoy the river. On the Belize River here, you're able to take your inner tube, go floating down, take your kayak, take your canoe, or just simply sit back and enjoy time in the Belize River. So I'm going to take you through a tour of Carmelita Gardens. We're going to highlight some of the different areas, some of the different neighborhoods. I'll showcase some of the homes that are available for ownership as well, and we'll highlight some top lots that I think would be a great opportunity if you are looking to own within an off-grid community here in Cayo, Belize. Upon entering Carmelita Gardens, you're going to see on the site map a large upside down triangle. So we're currently standing in that area right now, and this area that in the upside down triangle is slated to be the community pool. The developer is currently working on those plans and is anticipating starting construction soon, but that'll be an area right here behind me that'll be get to enjoyed by everyone. So we're going past a mound that you can see there in the distance, and that is known as the Mayan Mound. And not just because that was a fancy or fun name, but because underneath those trees is actually a Mayan ruin. Now, we are going to be leaving it as is. I know that there were some archaeologists who are interested in digging, but the developer's plan is to leave it as is. So a neat little fact about Carmelita Gardens right there. And the area that we're in right now is where you'll find more of the green lots. So this home that we're coming up to was recently completed. The owner just moved in actually, which is very, very exciting. But this is a custom home. So this owner worked with the in-house architect and design team to build exactly what she was looking for. She has a really nice stained glass feature as well in her bedroom that the designer was able to integrate in so that the sun hit it at exactly the right time. One of the most beautiful homes, I'd say, here at Carmelita. We are located on the west side of Carmelita Gardens right now, and as you'll see as we're driving through the property, that there's different feels of each of the different areas and neighborhoods. And what I really like about this area here on the west side is that you have more of the natural greenery, you have the trees, more mature trees than some of the other areas of the property. Now this lot that we're standing on is currently available. It is a half an acre lot going for $89,000, and you have, from where I'm standing, it's about 80 feet wide and then 325 feet deep. It's a beautiful space. It goes right over to the river. Build what you want, and you already have a lush canopy here to enjoy. Here you will find a home that is available for ownership. This is a 3-bed, 2-bath plus a loft space, and it is also overlooking the river. This homeowner put a lot of attention to detail, did very high upgrades to her home. She put in teak flooring, quartz countertops, a screened-in porch overlooking the river there. She also owns the adjoining lot, and she is willing to chat with owners about picking up both the lot and the home if they are interested. It has a beautiful vaulted ceiling in there too. Again, all of the pictures and videos of the homes will be in the description below. Just here to the left is the river park. You'll have access down to the river park, and that's where you'll find on Fridays a lot of the homeowners are usually meeting up to go tubing down the river. Coming up here, we have Casa Tamalito that is available for ownership just under $300,000. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath plus a loft space. And as you can see, there's some new papaya trees that are just starting to fruit right in the front. We are here at Cottage Park West, which is a community gathering area. I'm going to take you through. This is where you have some areas where the farmers market is, and then there are also a handful of gardens that we'll be able to take a look at. You have some corn, lettuce, pineapples, tomato plants, a whole variety of fruits and vegetables. Oh, there's dragon fruit. So this is the plan for dragon fruit or pitahaya, where it's that red out on the exterior and it looks like it's a cactus, but it's soft. And then you open it up and it's either usually like a fuchsia, bright pink, or a white. It's delicious. Plantains over here. So this is just a small area of what's growing here at Carmelita Gardens. These areas are for the community. There is a farmer's market that happens on a regular basis as well. And the area that we were just in is where there's community events and gatherings, and they'll have movie night there sometime. So it's a really fun group of folks that live here and that real community element. So if you are somebody who's looking to be in the community within Belize, or you are not necessarily ready to have a single family home that is out in the middle of nowhere, this could be a place for you to consider calling home. All right, this is just a small snippet of Carmelita Gardens covering 100 acres. It's going to take a lot more time, so we invite you to come down here in person, see if this is a property that's right for you. Just a reminder, Carmelita Gardens is completely off-grid. The goal of this development is to be self-sustaining and just rely on Mother Nature. If this is something that is of interest to you, please do reach out. We have home lots starting around $40,000 up to $80,000, resale homes starting around $250,000 up to about $500,000. There is also developer financing available on the home sites, on the lots. So if that's something that you would like to consider, reach out to us. We can send you the latest information. And just a reminder, we're recording this in August of 2024. So inventory and pricing may have changed by the time that you're listening, but that's a great reason to reach out so we can get you the latest inventory and availability. And our team will be glad to go through your property options with you. Again, my name is Rachel Jensen, broker owner of Luna Realty Belize, and we look forward to seeing you here at Carmelita Gardens. Bye, everyone.